Everyone, welcome today in the daily newspaper of Friday, end of the working week. Yes, Friday, June the 14th, 2024. We have here three regular puzzles: the 3 stars, the 4 star Sudoku, and the killer Sudoku. In today's newspaper of today, we have also an additional with extra puzzles, 7 extra puzzles. The letter Sudoku, the 2 stars, the 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudoku. We have here two regular puzzles, two jigsaw Sudokus, one with 4 stars, one with 1 star, and the last puzzle is the binary puzzle. These puzzles I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. 4 of them I will solve not now but in the evening. But now I will start with these 3 regular puzzles. News of today, well, the European soccer championship is started today, yes. First match, Germany against Scotland. Alright, first one, 3 Stars Sudoku, number 8719. Let me put this correct. Come on. Yeah. 8716. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 27 printed digits. Usually the 3 stars puzzle has 25 printed digits. This one has 2 digits more. For 3 stars puzzle, I need 20 to 30 minutes. Well, it's indicated with a 1 star because it has 27 printed digits. Then I need to be faster than 15 minutes. Question: is this a 3 stars or a 1 star puzzle? We don't know. We will see. So let's get started. All right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers are 9. We have a 9 in this row. No 9 in these 3. Oh, 2 of those missing numbers. 2 of those missing numbers in this big square are the 9 and the 7. We have a 9 and a 7 in this row, so no 9 and a 7 in these 3 boxes. 9 and 7 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 9 and 7, 9 and 7. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 9 in this row, 9 in that row. So in the row between the middle row, the only 2 places left, 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be here. 9 in the last column, 9 in that column, so the column between. Only 2 places left, 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be here. 9 in the third row, 9 in the second row, so the first row. Only 3 places left, 9 should be here, here or there. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 in the middle column, no 9 there. The only place left for 9 should be there. The 9 in this row, the 9 in the row below, so the last row, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in the second column, no 9 there. 9 should be here. And all the 9s are used. I can see digit number 1, number 9. Alright, 7 in this column, 7 in the third column, so the column between the second column. Only 3 places left for the 7 should be here, here, or there. We have 7 in this last row, no 7 there. 7 in the row above, no 7 there. The only place left for the 7 should be there. 7 in this column, 7 in the middle column, so the column next, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be there. 7. 7 cannot continue with the 7 now. How about the 1 in this row, the 1 in the third row, so the row between the second row. Only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be there. 1 in this column, 1 in the middle column, so the column next, the only place left for the 1 should be there. Then the 1 here. Yeah. Alright, 2 numbers left in this big square. Other numbers, the 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4 and the 5 is missing. 3 and the 5, 3 and the 5. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Okay, so 2 numbers left now in this row. 4 numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 2 and 8, 2 and 8. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and an 8 goes there. 2 in the first column, 2 in the second column. So the third column, the only place left with 2 should be there. 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of them missing numbers 2. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 in these 2 boxes. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 in that box. 1 box left for the 2 in this big square. Should be there. 2 in this column, 2 in the middle column, so they'll come next. Only 3 places left for the 2 should be here, here, or there. We have a 2 in the first row, no 2 there. 2 in the second row, no 2 there. Only place left for 2 should be there. 2 in this row, 2 in that row, so the row between the middle row, the only place left for the 2 should be there. 2 in this column, 2 in the column next, so the last column, the only 3 places left for the 2 should be here, here, or there. We have 2 in the last row, no 2 there. 2 in that row, no 2 there. The only place left for the 2 should be there. And all the 2's are used. I can see. Digit number 2, number 2. Alright. 7 and 5. Then. Let me see which number can I pick. 5, need a 5 here. Well, 1 in this column, 1 in the column next. So last column, the only 2 places left, the 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in this row, no 1 there, 1 should be there. 1, 1. 1. Cannot continue with 1. How about? Need a 3 here. Need a 3 there. Well, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 3. We have a 3 in this column, so no 3 in these 2 boxes. A 3 in the last row, no 3 in that box. So the 3 in this big square could be here, could be there. So we have a 3 in one of those 2 boxes. In this row, 3 in the last row. So the row between, only place level 3 should be there. 5 in the 3, we have 3 now in the middle column, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 5 and 8, 5 and 8. We have 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 5 in this column, 5 in the middle column, so they'll come next. Only 2 places left, the 5 should be here or there. We have 5 in the first row, no 5 there. 5 should be there. 5 in the first row, 5 in the second row, so in the third row, the only place left, the 5 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, 5 is missing, and the 6 and the 7 is missing. 5 and the 7, 5 and the 7. We have a 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 5 in the last column, 5 in that column, so the column between. The only 2 places left, the 5 should be here or there. We have 5 in this row, no 5 there. 5 should be there. 5 in this row, 5 in the row below, so last row, the only place left, the 5 should be there. 5 in the first column, 5 in the second column, so the third column, the only 2 places left, the 5 should be here or there. We have 5 in this row, no 5 there. 5 should be there. And all the 5's are used. I can see. Digit number 3, number 5. Okay, can I continue with the 7? Yes. 7 in the last column, 7 in the column next on that column. Only place left the 7 should be there. And all the 7's are used. I can see. Digit number 4, number 7. 3 missing numbers now in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 4. We have a 4 in the last column, so no 4 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 4 in this big square. Should be there. 1 box left in the last row for number. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. 4 in the last row, 4 in the row above. So in that row, the only place left for the 4 is should be there. Then 1 one box left in this column for number the 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. Then two missing numbers in the third column for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing. The 5 and the 6 is missing. 4 and the 6, 4 and the 6. We have a 6 in this row, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and a 4 goes there. Then 6 in this column, 6 in that column, so the column between, the middle column, only 2 places left, the 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in the third row, no 6 there, 6 should be here. 6 in the first row, 6 in the third row, so the row between, the second row, only place left, 6 should be there. 6 in the last column, 6 in that column, so the column between, the only place left, 6 should be there. One box left in this big square for number 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8 is missing. 3 and 8, 3 and 8. We have 3 in the last column, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and 8 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, 3. 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 4 and 8, 4 and 8. We have a 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and 8 goes there. 8 in the first row, 8 in the second row, so the third row, the only place left, 8 should be there. 2 numbers left in this row, 4 numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 is missing. 1 and 8, 1 and 8. We have an 8 in the second column. No 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 1 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. 1 and 6, 1 and 6. We have a 1 in the second column. No 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 3 and the 6, 3 and the 6. We have a 6 in the second column. No 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 2 numbers left. The final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing, and the 4 is missing. 3 and the 4, 3 and the 4. We have a 3 in the second column. No 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 12 minutes. Wow. Told you, need to be faster than 50 minutes. Well, it should be a 0 stars for 0 stars puzzle. 13, 14, 30 minutes I need to solve. 12 minutes. Not the 3, not the 2, not the 1. 0 stars, and I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so I can make it solve it myself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with other 2 regular puzzles. Until then, bye bye for now.